Okay, hi. My name's not Kat, and I will not be kidding you here today. So, I'll be telling you what books you should read. So, oh crap. Get out of my way, guitar. Sorry, the books were on the other side of the room. This is only some of them. Okay, so I'll start out with the ones that are more like children, childish. My radio fell on the floor. If that's even necessarily a thing. So, this is, The Mysteries of Harris Burdick, or Burdick, however you want to pronounce it. It's about a guy who, he essentially went to this book publisher, and the publisher was like, great, like, he showed him all these photos and one line from his story, and the publisher was like, great, I'm sure I'll love the stories. Call me tomorrow, or whatever. He never called, he never showed back up, no one was ever able to find Harris Burdick again, and that's no idea what happened to him. Going along with that, and I don't think a lot of people know this book exists, but I think it was Lemony Snicket's Children, or something like that, or Lemony Snicket did something where he, yeah, but anyway, somebody's children, wrote a book that got published of all of his stories, and so yeah, I haven't read all of them yet, because they're quite long, but, in my opinion. Like, each story is maybe like 10 pages long or so. I'm not saying that's long, but you know what I mean. You know when you just want to sit down and read a short story, and then it turns out to be 10 pages long, and you're like, dang it! I want a shorter story. So, this is 43 Old Cemetery Road, Dying to Meet You, because there's several in this series. It's by Kate Klise, and illustrated by Sarah Klise. And it's about this guy, I think it's a guy, yeah, who moves into a Victorian mansion, hoping to find some peace and quiet, but it's already occupied by a boy, I think it's Cat, yeah, and a ghost. I have actually yet to read this book, but I've heard it's really good, so, yeah, and they communicate through, like, letters and stuff. Here's, like, newspapers. And, you know, see letters and stuff. It's really cool. So here's poetry books. This is In the Atic by Shel Silverstein. This is not the cover that comes on it. This is a hardback book. So I used to have the cover. I don't have the cover anymore because I've had this book since I was like 8. Oh my god, this book is like 7 years old. So, yeah. So it's just a poetry book. Yeah, I'll find like a short one. I'll read it. What did the carrot say to the wheat? Let us rest, I'm not feeling beat. What did the paper say to the pen? I feel alright, my friend. What did the teapot say to the chalk? Nothing, you silly. Teapots can't talk. Overdues. What do I do? What do I do? This library book is 42 years overdue. I admit that it's mine, but I can't find. Should I turn it in or hide it again? What do I do? What do I do? Yeah, so this is a book that again, this book came out whenever I was like 5. I don't know. It came out before I was born. It's poems by Jack Prelutsky. A Pizza the Size of the Sun. This book is like 23 years old, I think. 24 years old. 1990. Okay, whatever. So So it's called The Pizza the Size of the Sun. It's on the back. It says, "The pizza the size of the sun. I'm making a pizza the size of the sun. A pizza that's sure to weigh more than a ton. A pizza that's too massive to pick up with toes. To pick up and toss, I mean. A pizza resplendent with oceans of sauce. I'm topping my pizza with mountains of cheese, acres of peppers, pimentos, and peas, with mushrooms, tomatoes, and sausage galore, with every last olive they had in the store. My pizza is sure to be one of a kind. My pizza will leave other pizzas behind. My pizza will be a delectable treat. All those who love pizza are welcome to eat. The oven is hot. I believe it will take 1.5 years for my pizza to bake. I can hardly wait till my pizza is done. My wonderful pizza the size of the sun." Sorry if you can't see me when I'm looking down or anything. But yeah. Sorry, I'm sick. I was going to do Beto, but that didn't happen. I might try to make videos for the rest of this month, though. I'll try. It may not happen. So, Pie by Sarah Weeks. It's about this recipe for pie, and they can't figure out where it went. Okay. When Alice's Aunt Polly, the pie queen of Ipswich, passes away, she takes her secret to the world famous pie crust recipe. Or does she? In her will, Polly leaves the recipe to her extraordinary fat, remarkable, disagreeable cat Lardo, and then leaves Lardo in the care of Alice. I know, but I won't tell. I know where it went, but I won't tell you. Okay, so here's a dog that it's a really funny book, Stick Dog. And it's funny because the narrator makes you, like, at the front of the book, the narrator talks to you about how he's not good at drawing dogs and stuff. It's really fun. So it's a good story with kind of bad drawings. So I don't actually remember what this one was about. I think this is about him and his friends want a hamburger or something. Yeah, and it's funny because it looks like it's written on, like, Latin paper. If you can see that, though. Yeah. I don't remember what this book is about. Oh, yeah. It's about the Vietnam War. So this is about a girl. It's called Inside Out and Back Again by, sorry if I pronounced your name wrong, Thanhha Lai. Thanhha Lai. I don't know. I'll put all the books in the description. So I'm pretty sure it's written, it's written by, like, poetry. But it's about a girl who was in the Vietnam War and she has to leave her home in Saigon. Yeah, the Vietnam War has reached her home, and her family is forced to flee from Saigon, or however you pronounce it. Yeah. It's probably my favorite book, but yet I read it so long ago that I don't really remember any of it. So here's also one of my favorite books ever. I need to get a new one because I went through a phase where I would, like, underline all of my sentences. Yeah, it was dumb. I need to get a new one of these. Yeah, I even wrote in the thing here that says my favorite book. It also says published in 1962. And also, don't let people steal your water bottles. I don't know if that was a line from the book or if that is just something that me or one of my friends wrote there. I don't know. It's a weird indent right there. It's A Wrinkle in Time by Madeleine L or something weird. I'm gonna have to cut off this video here in a second because I cannot do a book thing that's more than 15 minutes long, or I can't do a YouTube video that's more than 15 minutes long because I don't think I'm verified on YouTube. Is this channel really mine? Who knows? But this is just a classic thing. So they like go into, I'm pretty sure they like go into a different universe. And the most dangerous. Okay. Out of this wild night, a strange visitor comes to visit the Murray house and beckons Meg, her brother Charles Wallace, and their friend Calvin O'Keefe on a most dangerous, extraordinary adventure, one that will threaten their lives and the universe. Yeah, and this is just the first in the series. The other books are A Wind in the Door, Swiftly Tilting Planet, Many Waters, and An Acceptable Time. So, we'll start on the other side in the next video. I'm going to make it right now. I won't make it tomorrow, so they'll be up at the same time. It'll probably be up while you're watching this.